Alright, so today I'm going to download extra effect for the Olive video editor. Just go to the browser. Just type Olive community effect. Okay, so it should be this one, CG virus. It's not virus, hopefully it's not virus, right? Because I tried it in another computer. Once you get into his GitHub, just go down here, click clone or download, just download zip. Click save file, whatever, then okay. So it's pretty quick, it's done already. And just click that. Then it should be sitting in your download or whatever folder in your local drive. Just open that up. So it's inside my downloads folder. Simply right click it and then extract or unzip that by extracting or just save it somewhere. So extract it. Just remember where it is. So let me close that up. And then I should have the community effects master here. So just click inside. Simply select this one, Ctrl X to cut, and then paste it to your Olive video editor. If you don't know how to download that, you can watch the installation video here. So just program file, see this one, Olive video editor, and then just find the Olive folder, look up for effects, just right click and then paste. So it should be there. So now let me just get back to the Olive video editor and let me just open that up and see if I can run the effect. Okay, just Olive and then look up for the Olive editor, which is this one. Double click that to open. Just close down the website. So you should just wait for the program to start. Okay, first of all, let me create a sequence. Right click, new, and then sequence. Just change that to 30. I get used to editing in 30 frames per second. Okay, then you will have the timeline. Control I to import an example. And just put an example video. So this is my example. Select the clip, add video effect, and see if I see the community effect. So let me try the bokeh blur. That's the bokeh effect that I'm looking for. So just bokeh. Wow. Oh, it's this one. Maybe I don't have an image from here. Bokeh effect. Blur. Wow, really blur. Oops. Just blur everything. Okay, then that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.